Hello, welcome to our JavaScript fundamental class part 2. In this class we will learn how to use array in JavaScript. First, array declaration. We can declare array in various ways. Here three types of declaration is shown here. First of all, var test new array 23. These lines means it is declaring an array object named test which can contain 23 elements. And next declaration is to initialize the array during declaration. That means var parse new array bolts, nuts, washers, screws. These are the array elements. So there are 4 array elements which is initialized during array declaration. And the third type of array declaration is to declare an array without new array constant. Here array ARR array contains 3 elements 10, 20 and 30. In these 3 lines 3 arrays are declared. Now we will learn how to use this array. Our next topic is array length. Array length means to count how many elements are in an array. So to check the total number of elements in test array, here we have just defined how many elements test array can contain. 4 element value is assigned in this array. So the total elements of this array will be 23. So here we can see the output. Next is to how to read particular index value of an array. Document.write.part2, parts 2, that means the second array. One thing we must remember, every array index are starting, every array index is starting from 0. So this one is 0, 1 and 2. So output will be washers. 23 is the previous output and current output is washers. Our next topic is to array traverse. How we can access the array elements by using loops. So suppose our array is Jew which contains 4 elements: zebras, lions, apples and tigers. We will see how we can traverse array using for loop. For var cnt0, cnt is a counter variable which starts from 0, and when the cnt value is equal to the array length, then the loop will be terminated. So first of all, 0 index and document.write Jew, and here third bracket is used to indicate the array index. So first of all, zebra will be print, and after new line, lions will be print. In this way these 4 elements will be print in the scheme. This is our output: zebras, lions, apples and tigers. Our next topic is to how to sort the array. JavaScript contains built-in sort function to sort the array element. To sort any array element, we have just call the sort function suppose I want to sort the Jew array. Jew dot sort. Okay, now this element will be sorted before print. Here you can see alphabetically the elements are sorted. And the next function is reverse. Reverse means printing the array element in opposite order. To comment out any single line statement, just use double forward slash in JavaScript code. Now we will see the function of reverse method. Or by default array elements such as Java, lion, apis and tigers, and if I apply reverse function, then it will print tiger, apis, lion and zebras. Here is our output. If I want to display the output in descending order, just sort before reverse, then the element will be print in reverse order. Here you can see the elements are print in descending order. Here you can see elements are printed in descending order. Our next topic is join. Join, concate and toString. These three functions are used, and these are all built-in functions, and these three functions are used to print all array elements at a time or together. First of all, you will see the use of join function. Suppose our array name is fruit, and this contains three elements: mango, banana and orange. If I apply join function in this array, then it will display all the elements adding just comma. By default, comma is used in join function. Here is our output. If I want to another text or anything between two array elements, then I have to write like this. Next example is to add and string with each array element. Here we didn't mention anything between the bracket, and then the next example is string and is with two spaces. Sorry, there are some mistakes. Here I have to write fruit this is our output: mango, banana and oranges. And our next built-in function is toString. It also joins the array elements. Must check the array name is correctly defined. The function is toString. It works just like join function. Here you can see this is the by default join function output, and this is toString output. And our next array function is concat. This function is used to add more element with the existing array. So here after these 3 elements, another 2 elements will be added in this variable, but our original array element will be unchanged. So if I print the value of b, then it will show 5 elements or 5 values: mango, banana, orange, olive and jackfruit. This is the output of b. Our next function is slice. Slice function is used to cut the array elements. Slice. Here are 3 examples of slice function. This is our main array computer, which contains 5 elements: Dell, Gateway, Apple, IBM and HP. So if I call the slice function using this parameter 2, 4, that means it will start cutting from index 2, 0, 1, 2 and cutting length will be 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So ultimately it will retrieve Apple and IBM. This is the output of our first parameter value. And if I see the output, here you can see for 2 and 4 output will be Apple and IBM. In the next example, only one parameter is used. In this case, only starting value is defined, but the length is undefined, so it will retrieve the rest of the array element. That means 0, 1, 2, and because the length is not defined here, so it will retrieve Apple, IBM and HP. This is our next output. And third example is to using negative value. If you use negative value in slice function, then it will start counting from. In the third example, negative value is used. For the negative value, the counting will be start from backward, and count will be start from 1. So 1, 2. So starting point will be here, and second parameter is not used here. That means all value will be print. And here is our output. And our next function is push and pop. Push and pop works using LIFO base. That means last in, first out. According to LIFO, the element that we will insert last will be retrieved first. Here computer array contains this element, and if I push gigabyte, then it will be insert after HP. And join function is used to retrieve all the element at a time. Similar way, if I pop or delete the element from the array, then gigabyte will be retrieved from computer, and after that again join function is used to display the array elements. This is the output of push and this is the output of pop. Gigabyte is inserted here and gigabyte is deleted from the end. Our next function is to shift and unshift. Shift and unshift work like push and pop, but it is FIFO based. FIFO means first in, first out. That means the element will be inserted at the beginning and also removed from the beginning if I use shift. Unshift is used to insert and shift is used to delete. So when I call unshift with mag value, then it will be insert beginning of the array, and if I shift the value, then it will be removed from the beginning. And here also join function is used to show the output of the array element. Here mag is inserted here and deleted from the beginning. And our last function is splice. Splice is used for mainly splice is used for three purposes: insert, delete and substitute or replace. For insert, three parameters will be used. First parameter is the insertion position. Middle parameter indicates it will insert element, and third parameter will be insertion value. Similar array is used here computer. So third position means 0, 1, 2, 3. Here element ABC will be inserted. If I want to show the output one by one, I have to disable this line first. Okay, now go for the output. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. In the third position, ABC element is inserted. Next example of splice is to delete element from the array. It contains two argument value. First one is position. Second position is the number that you want, total number of deleted element. 0, 1, 2, 3. There is another element ABC 3, 4, and I want to delete two elements. So the output will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, and two elements are deleted. These are IBM and HP. And the last example of slice is the substitute or replace. These also contain three argument value. First one is position, second one is the number of replacing element, and third one is the replacing value. So position is 2, 1, and replacing value is PQR. Here this is the last position of our array elements. So 0, 1, 2, that means this position, and 1, 2 replace by PQR. So when we run the code, that means Apple is replaced by PQR. So today we will learn different built-in array function of JavaScript. In the next class we will learn many more things about JavaScript. Bye for now.